Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ba Prestun Tinsong hakasingi balang ula Pyntip ba Jingpyntrei ya Surok Rongjeng Mangsang Adogre RMA Lyngba ka non-lapsable Central Pool of Resources kalapoi menta syaka khandai puhnyau Persen. Haba juba bhalawar ka jingkli bawanra do MLE Rongjeng ujem Samla usembut Menteri Rangba ula Pyntip ba kapor ban pendap ya ka Surok kandai haki arku sau benai. Ngadu kapor ba ya ka work order. NEHU ruba kidan arngut ki kontraktor ki Pyntip ya kaniga project.
Sir, the stipulated time for completion of the project is 24 months after issuing the final work order.
Your supplementary question.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. May I know the minister in charge of PWD, the name of the contractor, and how many kilometers of this RMA covers?
Mr. Speaker, sir, there are two contractors who executed this project. One is MS-Star Infratech, and number two, MSCCL International Limited. And the contractor number one, he completed 48 kilometers of work, and whereas the contractor number two, CCL, he is supposed to complete it within 22 kilometers.
Speaker, sir, may I know the total amount has already been sanctioned for this road, RMA road?
Sir, initially, the sanction accorded by the Ministry of Honor was 210 crores. However, in the year 2018, the ministry has ultimately revised the AA order issued earlier, and ultimately it has come down to 138.08 crores.
Speaker, sir, may I also know whether any additional fund has been going to be sanctioned to complete this road, RMA road?
Sir, after detailed examination again, the government feels that those portions which is yet to be completed, because as I said to you initially, it was sanctioned for 38 kilometers. However, due to the reduction of the sanction, ultimately comes down to only 22 kilometers. So the balance work, this current year, we have proposed it from the World Bank, which includes the construction of bridge in Idler River.
My question is that, sir, whether any additional fund is going to be sanctioned for this project to complete this project, complete this road, sir, RMA road.
Sir, I think I have already replied. Now, the original sanction is only 138.08 crores. So, taking into consideration the total length of the road is 38 kilometers, but now we will be able to complete it fully within 22 kilometers. So, the balance work will be included in the World Bank project. And also, as far as this original sanction is concerned, no additional revision of estimate is also allowed, sir.
Speaker, sir, I'd like to thank Minister in Charge, PWD, for his reply. Why I brought this straight question, sir? Because this RMA road, that is 0 to 44 kilometers, is very important road, connecting to East Garo Hills to North Garo Hills. And it is also one of the lifeline for the people of Garo Hills, especially for the people of my constituency, Rongjeng, and the Mangsang, especially for the farmers, sir. Because this road is connecting to Rongjeng, Adogre, and Assam also. So it would have been very much beneficial, sir, if we could expedite the works of this construction, because it will be, especially it will be benefited for the farmers for transporting and supplying of their products also. So I'd like to request through you, sir, Minister in Charge of PWD, to expedite the work of this project, because it has been already nine years since this project has been sanctioned. During the time of Honorable LO's government, that is sometimes in 2017. So I'd like to request through you, sir, the Minister in Charge to expedite this work of construction. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. As I've already replied, the remaining portion which is yet to be covered under this project, we are going now to include it in the World Bank project, sir.
Okay, we move on. Yes. Samla, please.
May I know from the Deputy CM in charge of the department, the total source from, because as we sanctioned this program, I remember that this was a program which was formatted under a concept of convergence, pulling in resources and aggregating from both Nlcpr and NEC. So over a period of time, whether this particular project as we implemented, there was some reduction in the scope of work, and thereby reduction in the cost actually that was incurred for the completion of the project.
Sir, yes, in fact, I've already replied that reduction of the original sanction was changed, done by the Ministry of Donor. Because, sir, in fact, originally, the sanction was accorded by the Donor Ministry 210 crores. In the year 2017, 210 crores. But again, in the next meeting when they had, because these 210 crores has to be funded, one is by the Ministry of Donor, and number two is by the NEC. However, the component of the NEC that time, which is supposed to also add to this total sanction amount, then the ministry themselves, they had a meeting and then they asked the NEC to withdraw it. So ultimately, the total sanction came down from 210 crores to 138.08 crores. This is the status as of today. And then out of 138.08 crores, work is on, and within this year itself, this work, which is revised in terms of the nature of work, in terms of the items of work, will be completed within this 2026.